shit I think I ever heard on a sports car.
Yeah, that shit was good. Fat Dracula.
Fat Dracula. He said, I'm afraid if I keep talking about Shador Sanders, the Kuiper's going to come and bite me. Dude, that is fucking hilarious.
Comes the other baby. Where are you going, little baby goose? Oh shit, look at him go.
Don't look at me.
They're fast for how small they are, too. They
I
can
can't
move.
believe how big they are, man.
I know. They're crammed into that little ass egg. I mean, the eggs are pretty big, but still. They're all puffy and shit for how fat looking for how big that egg was.
It's pretty cool that he, like, lets us be here.
Yeah, he kind of trusts me, I guess. Trusts us. Been feeding him for 4 weeks now, at least. I'm sure he still has a boundary that if it got overstepped, he'd be fucking whipping our asses. Trying to. Look, something just jumped right by my line there. Damn fish. Oh my god, I just got that one on camera too.
That was a carp. I think a tail.
Got that one on
How
film.
are you not catching them?
Ah, who knows?